how to adjust the screen time out and change the screen lock time on your MacBook. This is a great way to manage your battery life and keep your MacBook secure. Let's get started. First, you need to open System Preferences. You can do this by clicking on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and selecting System Preferences from the drop-down menu. Once you're in System Preferences, look for the battery icon if you're using Mac OS, Big Sur or later. If you're using an older version of Mac OS, you'll see Energy Saver instead. Click on it. Now you'll see a slider labeled Turn Display Off After or Computer Sleep. If you're an older version, drag the slider to set the desired screen timeout duration. You can set it anywhere from 1 minute to several hours. To change the screen lock time, go back to the main System Preferences window and click on Security and Privacy. Under the General tab, you'll see an option labeled Require Password. Check the box next to it and select the time interval from the drop-down menu. You can set it to immediately, 5 seconds, 1 minute and so on, depending on your preference. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted the screen timeout and changed the lock time on your MacBook. This will help you save battery life and enhance your device's security. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.